This YETI gobox 60 is one of the most useful things that I've ever bought, and I've thought about it for a long time because it's a very expensive plastic box at the end of the day. It's about £300, but I'm really glad that I bought it, and it's just useful for so many things. It's a really good seat. It's excellent for, I don't know if you can see there, makes a really good seat. It's good for tiny shoelaces. I know that sounds trivial, but it really does come in handy. I use it as a seat inside my camper van as well. It's fully submersible, and I've actually put it in the water over there. And I've literally got all of my, well, not all of my wild camping gear, but most of it. So I've got cook sets in here, gas bottles, I've got a trangier here. Underneath here I've got warm gear, waterproofs, fold out table, chair. I've got water filtration in here. I've got waterproof bag liners and things like that in here, cutlery, toiletries. There's a trangier here. Everything that I need to do a wild camp is in this box, and it's just a really good storage solution. It's really good if you just want to have it packed like a bug out bag, and you just literally just throw it in your vehicle, you throw it in your van, and you've got everything that you need in there. Change of clothes, toiletries, tent, camping stuff, bivvy, cooking stuff, all the rest of it. And the fact that it's solid and it has different compartments and organisers like this means you can keep it organised. There's my Hilleberg in there, I've got my tent in there. But the fact that it's a solid box means that everything's organised and it stays in its place. If you're using bags, you find yourself, rooting around in the bag to try and get stuff out, whereas with this, you just flip the lid and you can see where everything is. It's got a really premium feel to it. It's got nice little carry handles on the end. As I say, it's fully waterproof. You can throw that in the sea, in a river. You've got a rubber seal on there. These little compartments are nice. There's a big main compartment here. And the other very useful thing is that it's lockable. You see these little eyelets. Look at the state of that. I've got dirt all over that padlock now. You've got these little eyelets here. You can just drop a padlock there and lock it. And there's one either side. If you've got valuables in there, if you're leaving it in your car, it's good to lock it. So yeah, the YETI gobox. It's a very expensive piece of kit, but it's one of those things that once you've bought it, once you've bit the bullet, you're actually glad that you've bought it. Well, I am anyway. And as I say, it's got a very premium feel to it.